Oke guys, welcome back GI Gaming. I love you so much. Nah, jadi kesempatan kali ini kita akan main game lagi, game MOBA analog. Game bot Dota. Kajacang makanan kali guys, sumpah. Terus faktornya apa ya? Tapi gak ada faktor lah. Oh ya, badang. Ya badang. Nice. Oh. Kal pani di pick guys. Ada Gusion. Tapi sih mereka gila ya. Udah ada Gusion, udah sang, masih juga mau ambil, masih juga mau ambil Gusion, parah sih. Oh gila sumpah, hero buff semua anjir. Kimi, Fanny, wah sumpah ini Kimi atau enggak apanya, cangkanya enggak akan dapat, enggak bisa dapat apa sih. Gak bisa dapat buff. Pak, kita main terang-terangan aja. Oke, lawannya kayaknya agak berat ya guys. Karena sini aku pakai emblemnya duit yang bisa duit lah pokoknya. Wah ini mereka 5-5-nya hero expert semua ya guys, apa namanya? Buat takutnya Fanny bisa main nanti guys. Wah mungkin ini last game ya guys. Dan mungkin nanti jam 9 baru lanjut lagi. Ini harus menang ya. Oke. Ini agak ngelek ya kan. Ini ngapa cok? Basok sadar ngapain? Astaga, 3 mid. Oh gila, 131 cok permainnya cok. Ini sih mereka mau coba meta evo kan guys, 131. Seperti biasa main card. Oh kita lonceng. Mama buka apa cuma? Mereka ada suaranya. Ini tuh mati. Fix. Kurang cutting nih. Ada flying ini guys. Bergetar jiwaku guys. Kita ngeliat Fanny di sini. Boleh pak. Oke, mati ya pecah. Itu Fanny liar banget tuh. Oke, Sancho kita mati. Gila, pro abis ya nanti. Woi. As. Itu Cange niat banget loh, sumpah. Kampret emang. Tuh, ini si payah ya guys ya. Bapakku. Bangke. Baik sih. Ini baik, sumpah. Cuma aku baik, wah gila. Tenang guys, ini gak akan gue sia-siakan perjuangan kalian. Matikanlah suaranya tenda. Bosku cantik. Kalau awal-awal nggak ada demek anjay. Kayaknya nggak usah lah, kita langsung jadikan ini aja dengan terus biar langsung ada demek. Nah anjir emang. Bangke lah. Anjing berlima di mid, di bawah. Bisa apa aku tuh? Gila nih. Johnson go. Terus mode serius on. Terus nih. Ini gak enak guys, dia karena aku belum duit. Terbiasa aku pakai emblem duit nih guys. Aku bisa pakai Assassin sama Indra. Nice. Oke. Nih juara Gustian doanya. Kalian war-war aja. Biar aku amat sih. Wah, anak anjir. Gua yang skalatin yang dapat. Awas ya. Kok bodoh semua, mati semua. Tapi kawan.
Way fresh off the runway, fresh
Apa ya udah mati. Aduh, mulai kali. Wah anjir. 40 pengen cok, sumpah. Dan war mulu, makanya lu sih semua bohong nggak. Oh GG lancarnya. Siapa ini? Berasanya ini mode turnamennya. Si Johnson kemana sih? Oh, gila sini Johnson. Awas bapakku. Oh anjir. Ash. Ih, timnya sumpah kemana Johnsonnya tuh? Oh. Wah, nggak kali ya guys, saya sumpah. Gila. Sumpah langsung nggak guna anjir. Terus 7.000 cok, gila. Mana lah balikin keadaannya. Anjir. Gila sekali semprol aja sama tuh Scar gua langsung anjir. Udah. Coba sakit tai. Bangke. Duluan.
Something different about that smile you wear, girl. Yeah, what is it? When I think I know what's going on behind them brown eyes, you're going through that little something, girl, that takes me by surprise. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. I think I like it.
baru.
Dangling your toes over the edge of out of control. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. Yeah. If I hadn't seen it with my own eyes,
Tabrak.
wouldn't believe it, girl. Can't believe that you were mine. A little reckless at the right time.
Mati tuh.
Your ambitions, you
Duh.
set 'em all aside. I could get used to you taking my breath away. As long as you got more than secrets coming my way. Baby, I ain't never seen
Sampai
this
ketemu lagi.
side of you before. I think
Biar aku lebih pada lagi nih.
I'd like to see you a whole lot more. Dangling your toes over the edge of out of control. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. Well, I think I know what's going on behind them brown eyes. You're going through that little something, girl, that takes me by surprise. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. I think I like it and like to see a whole lot more. Dangling your toes over the edge of out of control. Baby, I ain't never seen this side of you before. No, no, ain't seen this side of you before. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Selesai. Awaslah. Please.
Slip inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? You said that you've never been, but all the things that you've seen gonna fade away. So it's not a revolution from my brain. 'Cause you said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside. money and get advice. Ask for advice, get money twice. I'm from the dirty, but that Chico nice. Y'all call it a moment, I call it life.
One day while the light is glowing, I'll be in my castle golden. But until the gates are open, I just wanna feel this moment. I just wanna feel this moment. I just wanna feel this moment.
Miss Worldwide, Christina Aguilera. Oye, mamita, dale, que la cosa está rica. Reporting live from the tallest building in Tokyo. Long way from them hallways, filled with souls and oh yeas. They counting always, real fat all day. Now baby we can parlay, oh baby we can party. She read books, especially about red rooms and tie-ups. I got her hooked, cause she see me in a suit with the red tie tied up. Rita and Gris, nice to meet you, but time is
Alah,
money.
mati
Only
dah,
difference
guys.
is I own it. Now let's stop time and enjoy this moment.
Mati tu.
Maksudnya.
Oh gila, aku pun tolol.
I see the future, but live for the moment. Makes sense, don't it? Now make dollars, I mean billions. I'm a genius, I mean brilliance. The streets is what schooled them and made them slicker than Slick Rick the ruler. I've lost a lot and learned a lot, but I'm still undefeated like Shooter. I'm far from cheap. I break down companies with all my peeps. Baby, we can travel the world and I can give you and all you can see. Time is money, only difference is I own it. Like a stopwatch, let's stop time and enjoy this moment, darling.
One day while the light is glowing, I'll be in my castle golden. But until the gates are open, I just wanna feel this moment. I just wanna feel this moment. I just wanna feel this moment.
Nama. Nanti dulu ah. Apa. Ada ulti tu jangan.
I just wanna feel this moment. I just wanna feel this moment.
Sakitnya. Apa lagi makku ah. Turret. Mati tuh. Turretnya bos, turret. Bahaya nih. Awas kok jangan tele situ goblok. Tulur hidup. Mati tuh. Oh, nice. Sesuatu. Rata. Ih, rata. What the heck? Anjing. Rata, cuk. Oh gila guys, ini sampai gamenya broken banget anjay. Udahlah. Nah, sampai gitu aja dulu guys. Ini sumpah gue sampai fokus kali nggak ngomong aja. Sorry. Dan kita dapat MVP. Man of 2 bintang udah guys, parah men. Oke, thank you semuanya yang sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe channel ini guys. Thank you semuanya, bye bye.